Fact 1. Basenji, an ancient, African, dog breed, does not bark at all. Instead, it makes a unique, yodel-like sound, called a baru. Fact 2. The rarest dog breed is the Norwegian Lundhund. It has at least 6 toes per foot for climbing cliffs. Fact 3. Latest research shows that trained dogs can detect COVID-19 with 94% accuracy. They can also smell lung, breast, and prostate cancer. Fact 4. Dogs can hear a sound having frequency as high as 65,000 Hz, while humans can only hear up to 20,000 Hz. Fact 5. Bobby, the oldest dog, lived up to 31 years. He was a Portuguese Mastiff. So, which dog fact do you like the most? Tell me in the comments.